In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a shadow from the background in Photoshop. So first all we're going to do is select the layer that your photo's on. Now come up here, and you can either use the object selection tool or the quick selection tool. I'm going to use the quick selection tool. So what you want to do, resize this, and you want to go down and highlight the thing you want to remove the shadow from. So in this case, I want to keep this woman, but I want to remove the shadow behind her. Now, you only really need to focus on the areas where the shadow is. Now, I've done this a bit too big, so what I can do is I can go up to the top and put a minus on here and then go over it. I'm going to do it quite rough because I don't want to take too long. And you can see I'm going minus on these bits because I don't want to include these. You want to just go around the woman like this. Mine's going to look pretty rough because I'm rushing. Select the leg. There we go. So you get it. This is what I've done. I've selected this woman. You can do this much slower and much better. So now what I want to do, I have a few options I can do here. First option is I can go here, right click and layer via copy. So this is going to have a layer of just this woman on it. Now you can see her leg and stuff looks funny. That's because the way I highlighted it. What you can do here is you can go over to the lasso tool. So click on here and go to the lasso tool. Now you can outline this whole woman here, including her shadow, like this. And you can go down to generative fill. If you press generate, then it's going to remove her and the shadow, and it's going to give you the plain background. Now, depending on how fast or slow your computer is, this might take a little while, but just give it a second. The results are going to be good, I promise you. Don't let me down now, Photoshop. Okay. So I've removed this top layer here. You see it's giving me these. I don't know why, but it's giving me this. This is a good one. Now, I can turn this layer back on here at the top one that we just duplicated, and you can see the shadow is gone. Now her leg and all that's funny, but that's because we cropped it badly. But pretty much that's how you do it. Now, if you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thanks for watching.